SSZ5100TSLBEV electric sweeper truck. Built on SAIC's proven electric chassis, reliable and stable, advanced energy control system optimizes power distribution, reduces loss, and maximizes efficiency. 2 operation modes, Eco and Power. Eco mode for daily cleaning, energy saving and eco-friendly. Switch to Power mode for heavily polluted roads, fast and efficient, ensuring low energy consumption with high performance. Optimized pipeline design minimizes resistance. Specialty engineered dust control system cuts energy use significantly. For central brushes with suction and auto obstacle avoidance. Excellent cleaning results. Long operation, 8+ hours continuous work, meets all sanitation needs. Quiet operation, cabin noise below 60 dB, exceeds Shanghai standards. Optional leaf sweeping attachment available. Perfect for autumn.